Hey, what's up, students? We're on 10-4. We're solving radicals. So I've kind of classified the types of problems by level 1, level 2, and level 3 based off the amount of radical signs you see. So level 1 is basically when you kind of have mostly a lone variable inside the radical sign. So you just solve this with basic algebra. So again, these problems you don't have on your notes. You might want to copy them down before you solve them, but here we go. So I want to solve for this x. Well, let's get rid of this plus 7. Minus 7 both sides. I'm going to have the square root of x still going to be equaling a 9. Okay, and then how do you undo a square root? Easy. You square both sides. Okay, just like that. Okay, so cancel, cancel. X is going to equal 81. That's it. Done. Okay, that's how fast these go. So again, if you do mental math, the square root of 81 is 9. 9 plus 7, boom, 16. Okay, so some of you could probably solve these with a little bit of mental math. If not, you always got algebra. Okay, next one. Still got a plain variable, but this is kind of like a two-stepper, so we have a couple things to get rid of here. First move, I'm going to get rid of the minus 5 by going plus 5 both sides. Remember, to get rid of operations, you do the opposite operation. So I'm still going to have a 2 square root of x equaling, looks like a positive 3. I'm going to divide both sides by 2, divide by 2. Now I've got the square root of x equaling 3/2. Take both sides, square them, take both sides, square them. You might get a fraction for an answer. It's really no big deal. X is going to equal 3 squared over 2 squared, which is 9 over 4. Okay, I would write it that way. Let's see here. Let's go ahead and double check that one. Oops, excuse me, I got the fan going. I'm going to double check that one just to make sure that makes sense. Okay, so remember when you square a fraction, remember frying pan rules. 3 squared over 2 squared would be 9 over 4. All right, let's give this a try here really quick. Plug it in, see if it works here. So I'm going to go 2 bracket, actually no, not 2 bracket, I'm going to go 2 square roots, 9 divided by 4, okay, minus 5. Hopefully that gets me a negative 2. Sweet, it does. All right, there we go. So 9/4 what is indeed the answer. There you go, we got it. Guess and check. So yeah, that's just a two-stepper. Again, your last move is always to get the radical sign. Be the last thing you need to get rid of. Okay, if there's stuff outside of the radical sign, outside. If there's stuff outside the radical sign, get rid of it first, and then square both sides. There you go. There's level 1.